We are here in Rockbridge, Ohio, back with the box hop at one of their newest shipping container homes, the Overlook. This one is stunning inside and out. We've got a beautiful view out front of the container home. The home itself is 4 40-foot shipping containers that are diagonally placed on top of each other, making for a unique shape and feel to this getaway. It's perched on a ledge on this beautiful property tucked next to this giant rock wall, and it's kind of reminiscent of the Roca, which we just shot, which is a shipping container home that is placed in between these giant rock walls. Kind of feels like you're going into a cave when you're going into that one. But this one definitely has a different feel that is very special itself.
It's stunning when you walk up to it. It's that bright white with contrasting black and wood. When it comes to design choices, outside they have a few amenities, including a fire pit, hot tub, and a back deck that has multiple seating areas, a grill, and a couple of rocking chairs to enjoy the stunning countryside view that it has out the back. The owners picked the perfect spot to place this Airbnb in.
And it's super quiet and secluded out here, so it really is a perfect getaway. But let's go inside and show you around. Walking in the front door, you come into the bottom 2 40-foot containers. You've got the stairs on your left, and then back behind me is a hallway that leads to your 3 bedrooms. The first is on your right, and that is a queen bed with a twin bunk above it. And then across from that is a dresser and a TV as well. Under the stairs, there's a little nook that you can hang some jackets or put some clothes in. And then down the hall further on the left is a laundry room with a sink just for some extra space to get ready in the morning.
At the back, there are 2 bedrooms. Both of them are bright and beautiful with large windows, and each of them have private access out onto their own decks. You also have some closet space to store your luggage and clothes for the trip. And then right around the corner is the large, beautiful full bath that has gorgeous tile running across the floor, up the walls. You have a double vanity, huge shower, and massive porcelain tub. So it is definitely prime feature of this bottom floor. And then the final thing is you have access out to the fire pit. Now we can go upstairs to the main living space, which you don't want to miss because it is stunning.
Real quick, if you're a host of a unique or amazing Airbnb you want us to feature, you can go to journeymore.com and fill out our contact form. Please be sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and then we've got a question of the video. It looks like the sunrise is gonna be beautiful here in the morning. So we wanna know, are you a morning person or a night owl? Nikki is definitely a night owl. She would rather stay up and do work late into the night, whereas I'm somebody that would rather go to bed early, wake up early, and get started with my day. So be sure to comment your answer to that below. Let's continue with the tour.
Up here is the bright, beautiful, stunning living space that I am obsessed with, because if I had it my way, this is what our home would look like. This whole space is open from the kitchen, dining, and living room, but starting here, you've got a couple of couches, gas fireplace, and a picture frame TV with a couple of blue accent chairs. It's just so cute in here. I love all of the finishes. It's bright but cozy. Continuing on, they've got a massive dining table with a beautiful chandelier above, and then finally a stunning white cabinet kitchen with tons of counter space and a massive fridge, beautiful appliances. But something that's very interesting about the kitchen is they actually chose to have almost like locker room type cabinets that are really unique, but I actually love it. I think the touch is very nice. They still have plenty of counter space, and it allows for some beautiful windows to go across the top of the kitchen area, keeping it nice and bright. Plus, extending all the way across this living space, you've got windows from left to right to see the beautiful view.
And behind us, there is actually a half bath up here. And an interesting piece about the build is the stairs are actually in an add-on to the containers. So that really helps to maximize the space. They were really efficient with the space that they have. For example, those cabinets in the kitchen give you the space of a pantry without having an actual pantry. So there's a lot of things that they've done that are really neat here. And all the natural light that comes in through the windows, including the skylights that are over the kitchen, really helps to amplify the brightness in here, which I think just makes for a more happy feeling when you're inside. It's just, it feels so nice, it feels luxurious. It's a great place to come. And then finally, in the middle of the room is the sliding glass door that leads you out to the giant deck. Perfect for hanging out and enjoying that view. If you want to book the Overlook box hop yourself, we will leave a link in the description below. Be sure to use our discount code when booking. It helps support us, but it also gets you a discount on your stay, so it's the perfect thing to do. And then be sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and go check out our other videos of their other container homes. They have 6 total, and they're all absolutely beautiful.
Time for dinner, and a couple of our favorite places near here is Pizza Crossings and Millstone Barbecue. I'm craving one, Hayden's craving the other, so we're actually gonna go and pick up both. Ooh.
It smells good.
Yeah.
It weighs like 3 pounds. They must load on the toppings here.
Yeah.
Preview. Now that I see it, I'm like, I want pizza. All right. Meal 2.
Meal 2.
Now let's head back.
Ready for this meal. So I get the barbecue chicken pizza with no onions, and it is so good. Had this once before, and it's just as good as last time.
And then I've got the sampler from Millstone, which is like one of the best samplers out there because it has pulled pork, pulled chicken, brisket, ribs, and sausage. So 5 different meats.
So if you're looking for a little protein,
I'm all about it.
so the host has a few games, and one of them is Scrabble in this adorable little box. We're gonna play a game of this, but I have to say, I kind of know who might already win. Hayden is really good at word games. So, we'll see what happens.
Woes. Oh my gosh.
Good or bad?
So bad.
Oh no.
I literally have 4 of the same letter.
Oh no.
Nice. Gotta get 2 more. It is getting late, so we're just gonna call it, count up our score, see who won. I think you beat me.
You think so?
I think so.
What'd you get?
I got 100 points. What did you get?
I got 93.
Wow, that was close.
Super close
Wow.
game. I think I did pretty good for that game.
Oh, 7 points. If we had finished the game, who
You
knows?
never know.
Who knows?
Right. All right, bedtime?
Yes. If you want to book the Overlook yourself, we'll leave a link in the description below. Please do not forget to use the discount code, as not only do you save money, but it also helps support us. We've also filmed all of the other Box Hops container homes, so be sure to go check all of those out too. Also, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below your answer to our question of the video.